Hello students, how are you today? I hope that you are okay. So in today's lesson, we will learn about writing addition number sentences and properties of addition. Okay, so how many kittens are there altogether? Look, we are having 2 kittens in the basket and we are having 6 kittens which are not in the basket. So, using number bonds, we can say that we have got 2 and here we have got 6. 2 and 6 makes 8. So we say that 2 and 6 make 8. Okay, now we can write this as addition number sentence to have 2 plus 6 equals 8, and then we can read it as 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, so there are 8 kittens all together. Alright, so we can do addition using horizontal format. We get 2 plus 6 equals 8. This is called horizontal format. Then we also have vertical format. We write 2, below 2 we write 6, then plus, and we get 8 as the sum. So this is vertical format and this is horizontal format. Okay, we have this sign. This means plus. When we read it as plus. Okay, so this is the operation sign for addition. You can also call it put together. Put together. Okay, then we also have another sign. This one is called equal. Equal, and you can also call it the same as. The same as. So we can say that 2 plus 6 is the same as 8. 2 plus 6 is the same as 8. Or you can say 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, we look at example number 2. How many fish are there all together? How many fish are there all together? So you can see here we have got 4 fish and this side we have got 5 fish. So how many fish do we have all together? Okay, we can show this using number bond. We have got 4, we have got 5, and we know that when we get 4 plus 5, we will get 9. You can even count on to add. Look, you have got 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 fish. So 4 and 5 make 9. So as an addition number sentence, we can say 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, and we can read it as 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Very good. Okay, there are 9 fish all together. Let us see how we can add 0 to a number. Adding 0 to a number. How many curry puffs are there? How many curry puffs are there? Look, on this plate we have got 4 curry puffs, but on this plate nothing. We do not have any curry puff. So this means that here we have got 0. So how many curry puffs do we have altogether? Look, we have got 4 plus 0. So we have 4 plus 0. If we add 4 to a 0, or if you add any number to a 0, you remain with that number. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. Okay? How many eggs are there? Look, we have got how many eggs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But here we do not have any eggs. So we have got 10 plus 0 equals, remember, when we add 0 to any number, we remain with that number. So our answer is 10. 4 plus 0 equals 10. Very good. Now, let us look at commutative property. Commutative property. Now, commutative property tells us that when we interchange the position of addends, the sum remains the same. Look, we have got 2 donuts and 3 donuts. Altogether, we have 5 donuts. But if we change the position, we bring 3 this side and we bring 2 this side, like you can see here, still we will get 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So actually this means that 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2. So when we do addition and we change position of numbers, the sum remains the same. In other words, the answer remains the same. Look at this. We have got 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to, what number should be this when we use the commutative property? 5 plus 4 equals, yes, equals 4 plus 5. Very good. Okay. Now, let us do some practice. Number 1, color dots to show the number sentence. Color dots to show the number sentence. Color dots to show the number sentence. So, A, 2 plus 7 equals 9. So we will color 2 dots and we color 7 dots. So all together you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so answer part B. Okay, let's answer part C together. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Color 3 dots, color 5 dots, and all together we have got 8. So you can also answer part D. Okay, let's look at practice number 2. Mark the correct commutative property. Mark the correct commutative property. Remember, we said that for commutative property, we can change position of numbers and we remain with the same answer. For instance, if I have got, let's say, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and also I can have 2 plus 5 to get 7. You see? So this is what we call the commutative property. Commutative property. Another example. If I have got, let's say, 3 plus 6 equals 9. Also, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So this is what we call the commutative property. Okay? Another example, if I have, let's say, 1 plus 4 equals 5. And then I say 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is not commutative property because these two values are not the same as these ones. So this is not. So we have got 8 plus 9 equals 9. Also 1 plus 8 equals 9. Oh yes, this is commutative property. Let's check this. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. No, it should be 0 plus 9 equals 9. So this one is not commutative property. No. Okay, now let's do exercise. Number 1. Count on the fish. Complete the number sentence. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have got 5. 1, 2, 3. So here we have got 3. So what is 5 plus 3? Okay, so if this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can count on to get 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And we can show this using a number bond. We have 5, we have 3, and all together we have 8. This is what we call the number bond. Okay, now I want you to answer number 2. Write your answer for number 2. Let me read for you. Add the number of animals using number bonds. Write the number sentence. Okay, write your answer for part A. What about part B? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have got 5. And what about here? 1, 2. We have 2. Let's count on. This is 5, 6, and 7. So we have got 7. Now let's make a number sentence. So we have 5 plus 2 equals 7. Very good. Okay, what about part 3? Write your answer for 3A and write your answer for 3B. Okay, what about this? You also write your answer for part C and part D. Very good. Okay, what about part 4? Let's read. Complete each number sentence. Complete each number sentence. Okay, let's try it together. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Yes, so this is what we call the commutative property. So part B, what do you think? 1 plus a number equals 8. What number should be this? Oh yes, that number is 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Now to make it commutative property, we bring here 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay, now I want you to answer part C and part D. Okay. Number 5. Complete each number sentence. This is what we call vertical format. Vertical format of addition. So 3 plus 6 is the same as 9. Now write your answer for part B and write your answer for part C. Okay, so this is our last number. Use the numbers to write the number sentences. I'll show you an example for part A. I have 4 plus 2 equals 6. Yes. Now write your answer for part B. Let me help you to do part C. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, now write your answer for part D, E, and F. Very good. I believe that you have understood how to write the addition number sentences and what we call the commutative property. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.